If this doesn't scream spring on toast, I don't know what does. Hey everyone, I'm Nicole Gonsalves, and since spring has officially sprung, we're using lots of fresh seasonal produce, and for our base, we're using fresh Ace Bakery sliced sourdough miche that we're gonna toast up and pile everything on top. Let's get cooking. So I have arugula in here. We're gonna just pour on a little bit of olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a sprinkle of pepper and sea salt. Now, I've become pretty well known for my love of avocado, but today I'm gonna switch things up. We're using sweet peas. Just gave these a quick boil for 5 minutes, some fresh lemon juice. Really gotta put some muscle into it. We're also gonna add some fresh lemon zest, some plain yogurt, chopped garlic. I have a mix of basil, mint, and chives. I love mixing different fresh herbs together. They add just a really nice fresh taste to it. And then just to top it off, we're gonna do a pinch of sea salt and pepper. Find the lid and we're gonna mix it up. And we're gonna give it a pulse for about 10 to 15 seconds. Look at that. So I have my fresh Ace Bakery sliced sourdough miche. I'm always gonna grab the center pieces. Those are my favorite. I love this sourdough because it has a crispy outside, light on the inside, and a distinct sour tang. Drizzle a little olive oil right on top. We're gonna pop this into the oven to broil for about 6 to 8 minutes until lightly golden and toasted. Perfectly golden. It smells amazing in here already. And now we get to assemble. So we're gonna take our flavor-infused smashed peas, our dressed arugula, and just pile it on. Thinly sliced radishes. And then last but not least, we're gonna crumble on our feta right on top. It's beautiful, it's fresh. You are gonna love this one.